Hi, my name is Jaden Corrado and this is my how-to speech. Now today I'll be teaching you how to make chocolate chip cookies. The holidays are just around the corner, and something my family and me like to do during the holidays is make sweets. One of the sweets we like to make is the chocolate chip cookie. A little bit about the chocolate chip cookie is in the New York Times article. It states that Ruth Wakefield was the inventor of chocolate chip cookies. Now, how she came about making the chocolate chip cookie was she was doing a variation on a butterscotch dessert when she decided just to let the chips go wherever they wanted to fall. What the name of the chocolate chip cookie back then was called the Toll House Chocolate Crunch Cookie. Sounds familiar, doesn't it? Toll House cookies? I know, my favorite too. So starting off how to make the cookie, you need to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. After that, you need all your ingredients. You need 2 bowls, a small bowl and a big bowl. Your small bowl will contain dry ingredients and your big bowl will contain wet ingredients. I'll get more on that later. So for the small bowl, you'll need flour, baking soda, and salt. For the flour, you'll need 2 cups and 1/4. Flour, or the flour we're using right now, is bread flour. It has more protein, which gives you more gluten and gives you a more chewier cookie. Now, if you want to use cake flour, that gives you less protein, which is less gluten, but gives you a soft texture cookie. So today I was using flour, and then next you're going to use baking soda. The baking soda, you're only going to need 1 teaspoon. Now the baking soda releases carbon dioxide and helps leaven the dough. And then you're going to use salt, which is also 1 teaspoon. Salt just brings out the chocolate flavor. When you have something salty, your mouth automatically wants something sweet, which makes the chocolate taste even better. So after you're done with that, you're going to mix it all in here, and then you're going to get a spatula just like this and mix all your mixings together. After you're done with that, you're going to set it aside and get your big bowl. In your big bowl, you will need sugar, brown sugar, vanilla extract, and butter. First, you're going to need butter, 2 sticks of butter, which equals 1 cup. And why you're adding butter is butter coats the flour in a fat to protect it from liquids. That's really important. Now, after adding your butter, you're going to want to add your sugar. Your brown sugar, all have the same amount, 3/4. Now, I don't have a 3/4 measuring cup, so I use 1/4, and I just use it 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Sugar, brown sugar and regular sugar are just for the flavor of the cookie. Really weird, but that's it. Vanilla extract. There are all kinds of vanilla extracts you can use. Vanilla flavor, vanilla bean, but I like to use pure vanilla extract. Now you just need 1 teaspoon of this vanilla extract. And if you are the kind of person that likes a more vanilla-y flavor in your cookie, then add more, by all means. After that, you're going to want to grab your whisk and start mixing your wet ingredients all together. Because of the butter and the vanilla, and that's the only thing really wet, it's just going to have this clumpy dough-like texture. It's going to be like one big ball on your whisk. After that, you're going to crack an egg. You're going to crack 2 eggs individually. So you're going to crack 1, mix it in, and eggs are to add moisture to your cookie thicken your cookie, add structure and stability. And you're just going to mix that in, and you're going to add your last egg. Crack it and mix it in. When you're done with that, you're going to get your small bowl and you're going to gradually add your dry ingredients. Now I say gradually because if you add it all in at the same time, your wet ingredients may not get all the dry ingredients in there, and you want to make sure your wet ingredients get all the flour in there. So you're going to add 1 cup at a time of your dry ingredient, mix, 1 cup, mix until it's all done. Now, before, when you only had the egg, butter, extract, and sugar in here, it was really wet and soggy. But now with all your flour, it's going back to that thick kind of dough, bread look. And that's really good. And then you get to the fun part. You add your chips. Now you can do whatever chips you want. You can do, there are peanut butter, there is semi-sweet, bittersweet, butterscotch, milk, dark chocolate, white chocolate. There's also white and dark swirl chocolate. But today I am using semi-sweet chips. So you add those in there. You get your little spatula again, and you fold it. Now what I mean by fold is you touch the outside of the bowl, or like the inside of the bowl, but more up. So right here. And you're going to go around and flip your dough in. And you're just going to keep doing that until the chocolate chips get all mixed in with the bowl. After that, you're going to get what I like to use, which is a ice cream scooper. And you're going to pick it up and scoop it on to your cookie sheet. You're going to want to oil this before, because if you don't oil it, it is going to, when your cookie is done, it's going to stick to it and it's going to be a real pain to get it off. So you're going to scoop and get it off. And it's going to look like this. I know you can see them slide because of how oily my pan is. After that, you're going to pop it in the oven for 9 to 11 minutes. When it's all done, you're going to place it on a rack or a cool surface, put it on a plate, and it should look like this. All done, all gooey and chewy. Thank you for watching.